Hey everyone, want to make an extra 100,000 naira or more every month without quitting your day job? In this video, I'll show you 7 practical side hustles tailored for Nigerians that actually work. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing and content creation. Nigerian companies, blogs, and even international clients need writers. You can earn 20,000 to 50,000 naira per article. Write 3 to 5 articles a month and boom, you're over 100,000 naira. Number 2, social media management. Many small businesses in Lagos, Abuja, and beyond need people to handle their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Charge 30,000 to 50,000 naira per month per client. Just 2 to 3 clients and you're set. Number 3, buy and sell on Jumia, Konga, or local WhatsApp groups. Start with small items like phone accessories or fashion items. Flip them for 20 to 50% profit. Smart sourcing plus consistency equals easy 100,000 naira per month. Number 4, tutoring and online teaching. If you're good at math, English, or coding, you can teach students online or in your neighborhood. Charge 2,500 to 5,000 naira per hour. Just 5 to 10 hours a week and you're easily over 100,000 naira. Number 5, event planning and coordination. From birthdays to small weddings in Lagos or Abuja, people pay good money for planners. You can make 50,000 to 150,000 naira per event with minimal upfront cost. Number 6, digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or design resources. Nigerians love helpful guides, especially for school or business. Sell just 50 copies at 2,500 naira and you've hit 125,000 naira. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Recommend products from Jumia, Konga, or international brands. Every sale earns you a commission. Promote on WhatsApp, Instagram, or TikTok. A few sales a week can easily surpass 100,000 naira per month. Bonus tip, combine 2 or more of these side hustles. Imagine writing articles while managing social media or tutoring while selling digital products. The key is consistency and smart time management. To get started today, pick one hustle that matches your skills, set a small goal, and commit to at least 1 month. Track your earnings and scale up as you gain experience. 100,000 naira plus is totally possible. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about action. Whether you pick one hustle or combine a few, consistent effort pays off. So which hustle will you start with first? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to earn extra naira. And check out the description for free resources to kickstart your side hustle today. See you in the next video.